Did you know that we can use the sun to tell us the time? It's true. We can make a sun clock called a sundial. A sundial is actually the oldest instrument for telling time. You will need just a few simple items: a paper plate, a pencil, a cutout of a clock, or you can draw your own, and a compass, which most of us just have on our phone now. If you want, you can color or decorate your paper plate. After that, go ahead and glue or draw on a face of a clock. Then have an adult help you to poke a hole in the middle of the clock. Now we're going to stick our pencil in the middle with the pointy side facing up. Okay, now that our sundial is made, let's go set it up outside. I used my compass on my phone to make sure the 12 on the sundial is facing north. This will make sure our time is correct. As the sun appears to move across the sky, the shadow of the pencil will show us what time it is. Right now, my sundial is telling me it's about 11 o'clock. And if I check my watch, hey, I see that it's right. If we watch closely enough, we will be able to see that when the sun is at the highest in the sky around noon, the shadow of the pencil will be shorter. And when the sun is lower in the sky, the shadow will be longer. So not only does the sun give us light and warmth, it also tells us the time. Isn't the sun the best?